Hello bird lovers! Meet the Prevue Hendryx travel birdcage, perfect for short-term travel with small birds. This portable cage is ideal for small conures, parrots, cockatiels, and parakeets, providing comfort and security during trips. It features 3/4 inch wire spacing to keep your feathered friends safe while allowing plenty of visibility. The cage includes 2 stainless steel dishes and a wooden perch, with feed bowls conveniently stored in the bottom tray. Assembly and packing take just 60 seconds, making it easy to use on the go. Locked dishes prevent food and water spills, ensuring a clean and comfortable environment. Crafted by Prevue Pet, a trusted brand since 1869, this travel cage combines quality and convenience for all your bird's travel needs. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.